Hi, it's Megan from Megan TT Hobbies. So I'm going to try to do this first unboxing on camera. So we'll see how it goes. I'm in my kitchen. It's in the afternoon, so we'll see how the lighting is and the audio and things. So this is a box of the Seven Dwarves Mystery Collection. This is my first box of these, but I have decided that I want them all. So let's go ahead and get started. It comes with two, and there's the seven. This has quickly become my favorite ride, and I'm not a ride person, but we rode it multiple times last fall at Magic Kingdom. So let's check this out. So there are one and two. So let's see if I can rip these open. Nope. I've got my trusty scissors. There we go. I would assume that looks like Sleepy. So that's the first one. Maybe Doc? I'm looking at the box. I think that's Doc. These pins are gorgeous if you haven't seen them in person. There's like these little stones. So that's number two. I've got another box of these coming this week, and like I said, I'd like to get all seven. So have a wonderful day. Please like, subscribe, comment, tell all your friends about this new channel. Thanks so much. Bye.